Hi guys, Boris from LBC Capital Income Fund. I got some time. I was away in Miami for a few days. Anyways, I want to talk to you about 5 benefits of investing in private real estate debt or equity fund, LBC Capital Income Fund in particular. Anybody that ever made money has always invested in real estate. Real estate is the biggest wealth creator in the world, in this nation, okay? A lot of people made money in real estate, but those that made money elsewhere, anywhere, they are and they should be investing in real estate. There's many vehicles in investing in real estate. You can be as active or passive as you want to be. You can develop, you can flip houses, you can manage hotels, you can buy self-storage units, you can do whatever you want, or you can invest in the funds as a passive investor, and they're gonna do all the work for you. They're gonna manage, they're gonna collect rents, they're gonna deal with delinquencies, foreclosures. That's more of an active part of real estate investing. Our fund gives out loans. Our investors are passive. They sit back and recline, and they get their monthly checks. So I wanna give you 5 benefits of investing in funds like ours or other funds out there, okay? So 5 benefits. 1, you get a predictable, with our fund, you get a very predictable monthly dividend payment. Our target yield is 8% per year, give or take. Our lowest was 775, and our highest was 834 per year in the past 11 years. So give or take, it's 8%. Plus, there is a 0.5% kicker for investments over $1 million. So you can estimate very safely what your monthly check is going to be. On top of it, your check can be reinvested. So number 1, you get predictable cash flow. Number 2, these monthly checks, they can be reinvested. You don't have to take monthly distribution. You can let it go. So you get it's almost like an annuity. Without locking period. We do have a lock-in period for 1 year, but you get a huge potential for long-term accumulation. We have investors that forgot they have their money. They looked at their statement 4 years into it, like, you know, it's almost 50% bump, right? So you invest $1 million, you get $1.5 million roughly after 4 some years. Okay, so your second benefit is potential for accumulation of your income. We'll throw the graph into the video. You leave it for 20 years, you're gonna triple your money. Your third benefit is security. Every single loan and entire portfolio is secured by high-grade real estate. It's not like you're loaning to companies. It's not like you buying bonds or junk bonds. Everything that we do is secured by high-grade real estate, and it's almost impossible to lose your principal in any market. That takes me to number 4. There's no correlation to any of the markets out there. So there's no correlation to stock market, bond market, gold, or any other securities, crypto. You can sleep well. You can watch stock market to go up and down. You can exercise whether you're a shrink, but there is no correlation to the market. So this is a great diversification for any portfolio, any investment portfolio. You want real estate to be part of your portfolio? You want passive real estate to be part of the portfolio? Absolutely. There is no correlation to the markets. These real estate mortgage debt funds, they're a little different than REITs. REITs are publicly traded securities. So even though everything stays the same, when stock market goes down, your REITs is a real estate investment trust that are publicly traded on stock exchanges. They have risks of real estate and they have risks of market risk, stock market risks. Nothing changes with a company, stock market goes down, these companies will go down with the stock market. So there's absolutely no correlation, and you want part of your portfolio not to correlate with any markets, okay? And there's also liquidity. There is a strong secondary market for these securities. A lot of other private equity hedge funds It may take you 5-6 years to pull your money out unless you pay penalty. There's a very strong liquidity and a very strong secondary market in this industry. Again, 5 reasons to invest in LBC Capital Income Fund or like funds. You get predictable monthly dividend payouts. You get potential for long-term accumulation, which is huge. Dividend reinvestments, it's your power of compounding, basically. You get a very strong protection in real estate. We have a $50 million fund, give or take today, which is secured by about 90 million in real estate. So there's extremely high security behind this fund. It's not correlated to any market, so you can sleep very well at night when market is in the bear market territory. And there is fair amount of liquidity in this market, so after initial 1-year lock-in period, you can withdraw your money in a 2-week notice. Thank you guys. I'll see you next week.